another service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, western Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, Titus County in northeastern Texas, Red River County in northeastern Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clarksville to near Bogota to Higginsport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-side hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Clarksville, Higginsport, Buckfelder, Mount Vernon, DeKalb, Naples, Bogota, Omaha, on 259 and I-30 intersection.